Lady Gaga made quite the red carpet debut at the Grammys tonight, but it's what you may have missed that's got us talking. And guys, this is literally huge. Fresh off her amazing Super Bowl halftime performance, Lady Gaga made an entrance at the 59th annual Grammy Awards red carpet. Granted, it wasn't as epic as her entrance at the Super Bowl. She didn't catapult off a roof or anything, but we did notice. Mainly because Gaga wore perhaps the riskiest outfit on the carpet of the night. A cutout top that showed off her breasts, teeny tiny leather hot pants, and super tall patent leather boots. Gaga literally owned the carpet in her risqué getup, and she posed with Metallica, whom she performed with on the Grammy stage. And Gaga was so excited about their collaboration that she got a very large and very permanent piece of memorabilia for the night. You could see it on the carpet peeking through her crazy jacket, but on Instagram, Gaga showed off the tattoo in its full glory. A massive moth with a skull face. Metallica's latest single is called Moth into Flame. The Moth and Metallica, Gaga wrote on Instagram. Now, Gaga is no stranger to tattoos. She has several, but many fans think this one might actually be a temporary tattoo just for tonight's performance. Either way, Gaga is clearly excited about the duet and wanted to do something big. Backstage yesterday at rehearsals, the singer even posed with the band. Gonna listen to Metallica all day and party with my friends and then play with them at the Grammy, she wrote on Insta. So what do you think? Real or fake? And while we're at it, what did you think of Lady Gaga's Grammy outfit? Let us know in the comment section down below. And for more Grammys coverage, click the boxes and be sure to subscribe to Hollyscoop.